Have you ever felt lost in a project? Unclear about your role and responsibilities? That's where the RACI matrix comes in. RACI stands for responsible, accountable, consulted, and informed. In other words, it helps define who does what in a project. The use of RACI can reduce project errors by 30%. So, if you want to avoid confusion and increase efficiency, use RACI in your project. RACI is widely used in Agile methodology. It's a valuable tool for defining roles and responsibilities in Agile projects, where collaboration and communication are key. The RACI matrix helps to define role and responsibility clearly, but it's not a substitute for communication. Make sure to communicate and collaborate with your team to ensure successful project completion.